guys, it's me, the Daily Dogs. You just noticed, guys, I just changed my YouTube channel because really I'm not going to play with my friends anymore. Because I'm going to change it. And there's a bird feeder. Hey, you can't eat the bird. Give me the bird. Give me the bird feeder. Hey. Give me it. No, don't. You don't. No. Give me that. No, you don't eat the feather. Wait, guys, I need to take the feather away. Okay, guys, I dropped it out in his mouth. Look what he did. You're a bad boy. You're bad. Bad. He's a bad boy. What happened to the water in there? He's a bad boy because he ate this feather. Doesn't eat the feather. He's not allowed to eat the feather. I'm just going to throw over there. Like, now he has a little bit of feathers inside him. You don't need a feather. Okay, guys, warning. This is going to be kind of bad. The dogs. We get some hits, boy. Don't do that. Ew, where? I'm just going to kick you in the face. Don't. Just be a good boy. I don't know why his ears go down and I pet him. It's so cute. I'll watch your mouth closed. Yeah, his mouth is closed. So cute. So cute. So cute. No! Look at his cute little eyes. Just keep moving. Look at his cute little eyes. Are they so cute? Oh, they so cute. Oh, they so cute. No, he keeps moving. That's why you don't even see his eyes a lot. Okay, guys, I'm going to jump up here and comment on what do you see. Yeah, comment down below what do you see. And I'm going up. There, comment on what do you see. I'm saying that again. Okay, what do you see? I'm going to put this all the way up. I'm going to put it a little closer for you to see what's up there. Oh. Don't care about the tree branches. What do you see around here? Just comment below what do you see. And maybe you could see some ants. Okay. Okay, let's wait one more time. Okay, I feel something on me as I'm getting down. There's bees over here. Sorry. There's bees over here. Okay. Oh no, something was eating our plants. Look. You want to find the thing who's eating. We're going to try to find the thing who's eating our plants. Okay, guys. There's something who's eating our plants. More stuff who's eating our plants. Wait, I'm going to show you. There's little ants climbing up. I need. Right there. Oh, sorry. Right there. Little ants. Hi. 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 Look at him. He's so cute. Comment on he's so cute. Look at him. Look at his little eyes. My dog is more calmer. Little eyes. Oh. So fat or bumped. Are you bumped? You're bumped. And you don't know what's bumped mean? Bump means fat, but the fat word is the bad, like a bad word for the people because you make them sad. Or call them bump. That's like a little nice. got a dog. Driving on the dog. I'm driving on you. Okay. Okay, you wanna know how you don't know how to brush a dog? I'm gonna show you how to brush a dog. This is how you brush a dog. That's how you brush a dog. Let's get some hair. Get that hair. This is how you do it. This is how you do it. This is how you do it, do it. This is how you do it. Oh my! Look at all that hair. I want to show you. Oh, it's so fluffy. Oh, sorry you can't see. But look. Look at that. That's so much hair. Look. Look closer. Okay, let's keep brushing him. You keep brushing him. Or he's not going to have a soft. Oh, there's hair. There's going to be hair like right now. There's a bunch of hair on me. Okay, my parents are going to get mad. No, there's hair on me. Okay, guys, I'm going to go inside and go in my room. And